Hi everyone, I'm Joanne. Welcome to my sculpting channel. Today I'm going to be talking about this particular dog named Mikey. Somebody has been following my work for quite some time now, and she really wanted me to recreate her pet named Mikey, and Mikey was a Chihuahua. Mikey passed away earlier this year, and it was very sad for Mikey's mom. And so Mikey's mom reached out to me and asked me if I could recreate Mikey for her. There's one brand that came out. It's called Toss Clay, and they specialize on creating products that are mixed with some rubber. So that means they're not breakable. That works well with high-risk parts of the sculpture, like the tip of the ears, the tail. You can bend a little bit. It's kind of flexible. That will make me continue my passion with confidence. According to Mikey's mom, he didn't like using collars, but there's that food bowl right there. And also, Mikey's mom wants me to make sure that Mikey's tongue was showing. There's one special thing, there's one very special that I incorporate with this piece. This sculpture is actually an urn. It's what I call disguised urn. So an urn is a container for the ashes of a cremated deceased being. So with pets, for example, their pet died, and then they will be given an option by a veterinarian to either cremate their pet or bury their pet. Most of the time, a lot of the pet owners actually decide to get their pets cremated, and they keep the ashes. When they receive the ashes, they either put it in a container. A lot of people that I've observed, they told me that looking at the boxes makes them even more sad. So they keep the ashes of their pets, and then they put it in a box, and then when they look at the box, there's no life. It's lifeless. Like, that's my pet in a box. And this is the reason why they come to me in the first place, so that I could sculpt their pet, a little sculpture, and then that sculpture they put on top of the box, which the ashes inside. And even she said, I couldn't agree with you more. When my little guy passed, I immediately thought of you and your talent, as I did not want to put his ashes in a wooden box, but I have a sculpture to represent him and my love for him. I realize it's a problem. I could kind of solve even one at a time. So now I'm actually redefining what an urn looks like. So for this one, for example, that's Mikey. The inside, the body of Mikey is actually a container. The lid is 3D printed. So with that one, there's a hole right there. That's where they're going to put the ashes in of Mikey. Oh, by the way, if you want to see how I sculpted this piece, go back to my channel and find the actual sculpting process video that I create with Mikey. Usually it's the same thumbnail with my vlog, but you will see pet sculpt. It really makes me happy when I see somebody really enjoy my work. It really want me to create art for them, especially with Mikey's mom. She even mentioned to me, what did she say? She said, oh really, I'd love to drive to Colorado. I haven't been there in quite a while, and I would love to pick up one of your amazing pieces for my baby. It's like, oh, oh my god, this is so sweet. This is so sweet. I'm really humbled. That makes me feel like these work of art are really special, and so that keeps me motivated to keep going, to keep doing this. That's so good. It's such a good feeling to be able to help, and I hope it will encourage you to be creative, to be resourceful with your with what you have, to be courageous, to start something new. So if this looks like intimidating to you, just watch my videos and see how easy it is, really. All you gotta do is follow it. And you know, when you purchase my books and then you watch my video, you will learn this. I'm alive, right? You can always ask me. You can always email me, message me here if you have question. I will respond. I will tell you. I will help you out. And also in my channel, it's not all sculpting realistic pets. I also have a show. It's called The Doggo Bake Show, and it's a family-friendly sculpting show specifically for beginners. Watch them. Subscribe, and please help me out. Share this with your family and friends, in your community, in your circle. Happy sculpting. See you again next Friday.